Morning student, today we will learn the vowel I and O from Phonics English Primer A workbook. So let's open the page number 24. Write the date here, 14th October 2020. The vowel I. Let's understand the sound of vowel I. The short sound of vowel I in says I, as in igloo, pen, fish. Let's learn some word familiar with short sound of vowel I. It, pit, quit, sit, pit, kit, sit. In, bin, tin, win, bin, tin, win. Ig, pig, dig, wig, pig, dig, wig. Ib, nib, bib, rib, nib, bib, rib. X, fix, mix, six, fix, mix, six. Is, fish, dish, wish, fish, dish, wish. Let's learn some more words familiar of I. Im, rim, him, dip, ip, zip, lip, sip. Ink, king, sing, ring. Ill, mill, will, grill. Match each word with correct picture. This is the spelling of ship, S-H-I-P. We have to match the spelling of ship with the picture of ship. Ship, ship. P-I-G, pig, pig, pig. P-I-N, pig. Pin, pin. W-I-G, wig, wig, wig. Turn the page, page number 26. Read the words given and write them under the correct family. Ip, lip, L-I-P, lip. Ship, S-I-P, ship. It, P-I-T, pit. Kit, K-I-T, kit. Is, W-I-S-H, wish. Dish, D-I-S-H, dish. Ig, D-I-G, dig. Wig, W-I-G, wig. X, S-I-X, six. F-I-X, fix. Ing, K-I-N-G, king. S-I-N-G, sing. Let's repeat again. Ip, lip, sip. It, pit, kit. Is, fish, dish. Ig, dig, wig. X, six, fix. Ing, king, sing. Let's read aloud. Ig, a pig, a big pig. In, a pin on a tin. Is, a fish in a dish. Ing, a king with a ring. Now come to page number 27. Let's revise. Fill in the blanks with letter I and read the words aloud. Beep, B-I-B, beep. 6, S-I-X, 6. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish. King, K-I-N-G, king. Zip, Z-I-P, zip. Kit, K-I-T, kit. Dig, D-I-G, dig. Bin, B-I-N, bin. Nib, N-I-B, nib. So you have to write all the blanks with I. Draw line to connect the vowel I to the picture having the sound of I. This is the picture of king. K-I-N-G. So we have to match the picture of king with alphabet I. Igloo. You have to match igloo to alphabet I. Tin. You have to match the tin picture with I alphabet. Hen. No, here the spelling of hen is H-E-N. There is no sound of I. So we don't have to match with I. Beep. You have to match the beep picture with alphabet I. Cat. There are no sound of I. Pin. You have to match picture of pin with alphabet I. Beer. There are no sound of I. Turn the page number 28. Encircle the words that does not belong to the group. Pin, B-I-N, pin. Win, W-I-N, win. Rin, R-I-N, rin. Dish, D-I-S-H, dish. The spelling of dish is not belong to the group of this. So we have to encircle this. Sing, S-I-N-G, sing. Zip, Z-I-P, zip. King, K-I-N-G, king. Ring, R-I-N-G, ring. Here Z-I-P, zip is not belong to the group. So we have to encircle this word. B-I-G, pig. F-I-X, fix. M-I-X, mix. S-I-X, six. So we have to here encircle the spelling of big. M-I-double-L, mill. H-I-double-L, hill. P-I-T, pit. And G-R-I-double-L, grill. So we have to encircle on P-I-T, pit. Match each pictures with its name. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish. So we have to match the spelling of fish with its picture. Fish. Hill, H-I-double-L, hill. Here the picture of hill. K-I-N-G, king. And the picture of king is here. K-I-T, kit. Z-I-P, zip. S-H-I-P, ship. S-I-X, six. And L-I-D, lead. Now our next topic is the vowel O. Write the date here, 14th October 2020. Let's understand the sound of vowel O. The short sound of vowel O in verse says O, as in octopus, hot, stuck. Let's learn some words familiar with short sound of vowel O. Ot. Pot. 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 Dot. Dot. Cot. Cot. Pot. Dot. Cot. Op. Mop. Mop. Hop. Hop. Top. Top. Mop. Hop. Top. Ob. Dog. Dog. Log. Log. Fog. Fog. Dog. Log. Fog. Now turn the page. Odd. God. God. Rod. Rod. Cod. Cod. God. Rod. Cod. Ox. 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 Box. Box. Fox. Fox. Ox. Box. Fox. Ock. Lock. Lock. Rock. Rock. Frock. Frock. Lock. Rock. Frock. Let's learn some more word familiars of O. Ob. Mop. Job. Knob. Alt. Bald. Jolt. Vault. Us. Bus. Loss. Toss. All. Doll. Roll. Ball. Write a rhyming word for each given verse. What is the meaning of rhyming word? Means similar sound. Okay? Box. 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 So you have to write here the similar sound of box. Fox. 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 Box. Fox. Boss. Boss. Loss. Loss. Boss. Loss. Roll. Roll. Doll. Dole. Roll. Doll. Rock. 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 Lock. Lock. Rock. Lock. Rod. Road. God. God. Rod. God. Job. Job. Mob. Mob. Job. Mob. Cot. Cot. Pot. Pot. Cot. Pot. Bolt. 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 Volt. Vault. Bolt. Vault. Come to page number 31. Read the words given below and write them under the correct family. Odd. God. God. Cod. Cod. Og. Log. Log. Dog. Dog. Us. Toss. Toss. Boss. Boss. Ot. Pot. Pot. Dot. Dot. Ox. Box. Box. Fox. Fox. Ock. Lock. Lock. Rock. Rock. Cod. Cod. Log. Dog. Toss. Boss. Pot. Dot. Box. Fox. Lock. Rock. Let's read aloud. Ot. A cot. A pot and a cot. Ox. A fox. A fox and a box. Odd. A god with a rod. Og. A dog and a log. Turn the page. Page number 32. Let's revise. Look at the pictures and tick the correct word for each. This is the picture of box and the spelling of box is B-O-X, box. So you have to tick here. Picture of dog and spelling of dog is D-O-G, dog. Road. R-O-D. Road. Cot. C-O-T. Cot. Doll. D-O-L-L. Doll. Boss. B-O-S-S. Boss. Mop. M-O-P. Mop. And frock. F-R-O-C-K. Frock. Page number 33. Encircle the word having sound of O in each circle. Roll. R-O-L-L. So we have to encircle the spelling of roll. Ox. O-X. Ox. Fox. F-O-X. Fox. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Pot. P-O-T. Pot. Rock. R-O-C-K. Rock. Box. B-O-X. Box. Cot. C-O-T. Cot. The rest spelling has no sound of O. So, we haven't encircled that word. Okay? Hope you understand the concept of vowel I and vowel O.